Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today we're going to show you how to make this family favorite, loaded Italian sausage. It's quick, it's easy, and so delicious. Everyone will love it.
Good morning, everybody. Or good afternoon. All right, today we're gonna do some grilled sausages with some sweet cherry peppers.
Nice.
We're gonna butterfly them first. Smells so good. And we got these sausages from Jimmy's in Dallas. Jimmy's Deli.
Yeah,
Huh?
they're nice and fat.
Yeah.
Big links, and it's so lean, you know, you cook these and...
What's his name? Recently, this right?
I love them on the grill like that, man.
Yeah.
They're really good on the grill. Butterflied like that.
How do they look?
Good.
Beautiful.
Tastes even better when you eat.
Yeah, when you cook them.
All right.
Well, each
This is the grill.
ready for the grill.
It's only going to be 105 degrees today.
That's
Oh
it.
my God.
We don't even
With the heat index, you'll be about 110.
Wow, we don't even need a grill. Throw them on the sidewalk. Yeah, there
Put 'em
you
on
go.
the hood of the car. Cook 'em. All right, we got our cherry peppers here. We're going to slice them up.
Get rid of those seeds.
Yeah.
What did you?
Come over here and supervise.
Oh,
I love vinegar peppers. They go great with pork, even pork chops. We have a video out with this, using these cherry tomatoes with pork chops and some
Cherry
potatoes.
peppers.
I mean, with cherry peppers. Yeah,
Yeah, they're good with pork chops, man.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. No, not these.
that's sweet on the floor. I wouldn't ask them.
Yeah, I know that. You can also get these in real spicy, which I like, but
Most
you
people,
know, most people don't like.
Yeah, these are good too, though. I like
Oh
them.
yeah, these are good.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna start frying up these cherry peppers with some onions and some mushrooms. First, we're gonna go ahead and add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Get this pan hot. The oil nice and hot. I'm gonna go ahead and add these onions, about a half an onion. Fry those up a little bit. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add the cherry peppers. And now we got about a cup of mushrooms sliced thin. And we're going to salt and pepper, a little sea salt, or regular salt work, and some black pepper. Now we'll let these fry up for about 10 minutes on medium. All right, these ready, Mom? They look ready? They look ready to me. Man, they smell out of sight. All right. Put these right on this on each. I'm just getting ready to grill up the sausage.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Nice hot grill. Beautiful.
Don't remind me about the other sauces we gotta put on here after these are done.
yeah. We got a lot more sauce each. Oh man, look at that. All right, let it rip.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Come on, get in here, man.
This is our
going
friend
on
of ours,
YouTube.
Mason.
What's up?
I'll make you a YouTube star, bud.
Oh, sweet.
All right.
Did you add any dollops to anything today, Paul?
Any what?
Dollops?
Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
Sausage bon.
Oh, man.
Smell that, man. Woo!
Oh.
We got a lot of food, guys. Come on. Come over and eat.
There we go, man.
We got food for about 20. We're only feeding 10, 9.
I think we have food for 30. Oh, man. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, man. Look at that. It's beautiful. Rosie.
Sausage bon.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put some of this cherry pepper, onion, and mushroom mixture right on top of these sausage. Look at that, beautiful. I'll go ahead and cover it up and let that go for about 5 minutes. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and top this off with the Mozzarella and Fontina cheese blend here. I went ahead and shred about a cup of the Fontina cheese and a cup of the mozzarella cheese. Gonna go ahead and top that up right there. Oh yeah. More cheese the merrier. Woo, it's hot out here in Texas, folks. I tell you what. All right. Gonna cover that up and melt that cheese, and we'll be good to go. Oh, look at that. Sausage is ready. Ready to cut the gas. Get my new utensils that my daughter gave me for my birthday. Oh, look at that sausage. Oh, yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Loaded sausage. Loaded Italian sausage. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Let's eat. All right, Mama. Before we serve this dish to our guests, I want you to taste it and give it the taste test. Okay?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Now?
Yes, now, Mama. It's hot, so be careful.
It's hot.
Yeah. You gotta eat it with a piece of sausage.
Wow.
How is it, Mother?
It's delicious.
Very good. We got your approval. Awesome.
Really good, Paul.
All right. Thanks, Mama. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. We appreciate the subscribers. And if you don't mind, hit that like button. We'll talk to you guys next week. Bye.